Hey guys, Jacob and Johnny from Hobbytron. We're back with another video airsoft review. Today, we're looking at the Jin Gong Type 89 assault rifle.
And when you open up the box, you'll find the manual, the gun itself, the battery, sample bag of BBs with adjustment tools, the charger, the magazine, and the bipod. Now the Type 89 is one of the only out-of-the-box 3-round burst AEGs on the market.
It has a full metal construction, and the foregrip, grip, and stock are made of a rubberized polymer material for maximum comfort.
This gun has a full metal barrel and iron sights. It also comes with a 300-round high-capacity magazine. Now this looks like an M4 magazine, but it's really a proprietary magazine.
To access the hop-up, simply pull back the bolt catch and you can get to it there. And to install the 8.4 volt 1150 mAh battery, remove this pin from the foregrip, remove the casings, and you can install the battery right here.
This gun also has a high torque motor and a reinforced metal gearbox. But what makes it legendary is the 3-round burst it comes with, as well as selective fire for semi and fully auto.
In addition to those great firing modes, another awesome feature of this gun is the bipod. Now it's not your standard bipod that has to hook onto a bottom rail. You simply flip this switch and it opens up like a clamp. You just hook that on to there and you're good to go.
Now let's go test this gun out in the shooting range.
As you guys saw, the 89 shot on average FPS of 360, and that's with .20 gram Elite Force BBs. And our shooting range targets were from Darkotic. You can pick them up on our website in packs of single or 8.
I really enjoyed shooting this gun. The polymer rubberized grips were really comfortable. The accuracy was spot on using the bipod. All around, a great AEG.
If you like this video review and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hobbytron TV.
Hobbytron,
where awesome happens. Boom!